here's the actual sink. Everything's included, instructions, even the tools to put it together. It took me about almost 2 hours to put it together by myself. It's not very heavy at all. The best part is that it came with this beautiful sink ready to go for three areas, three holes already pre-built, including the extra hole here and a pretty good solid area to drain it, extra drainage. Now the whole thing took me, like I said, 2 hours. One thing I do like, and you could change this either direction, forward or back, or it could be on your left or right hand side, depending on your sink preferences. All right, this is a towel holder here. You got extra space here for towels, and then, like I said, they give you the extra holes in here, so if you want to put it on this side instead. Now the entire thing is so beautiful for any kind of bathroom that you're building. It could be, you could change these out. Instead of gold, you could change it to silver, other colors, or your preferences as you please. Now this thing, like I said, is very solid, very sturdy, real wood, real solid wood. It came well protected in its cover, in its box. Now one of the things I like about it is that the instructions were very thorough. The only problem I did run into was this inside problem where it actually curves. And the only reason that it curves, I'm going to give you guys a little demo why it curves. Because this sink is made for plumbing, ready for plumbing. It has a cutout hole right there. It has a cutout here that doesn't even block the actual pipes that go down or the actual drainage. So this is made for, especially if you're going to go against the wall, straight to the back, right? So we're going to put it together so I can show you guys how it works and how to set this up. All right, I just spin it around so you guys can see the back of it. Two holes here, so you can actually mount it against the wall flush, all right? So that's an option that you have. Now, to set this up is easy. It goes straight through the bottom. We're going to unhook this part. This is not included with the actual drain part, all right? The assembly kit, all right? Now this thing's set up, if you guys can see that, it has a push in. So you could make sure the water doesn't drain out anywhere, it goes straight to the bottom. Now we're going to set up the actual sink part of it, which is the faucets. Alright, at the end of the day, it was very simple to put together. Looks beautiful, all assembled with the faucets. Perfect design. Easy to put together. Like that you can open the inside, has divider for the plumbing. Beautiful plumbing divider. Has a drawer on the bottom. Extra drawer. Nice and run it through the drain if you want. You could clog it if you want. Bring up the water all the way up. It's an option. Or you can turn it off and then you could run it